So we have this tree that fell down a couple years ago. I stripped the bark off of it when it was fresh and just let it harden. I am in need of a fence post, 3.5 by 3.5, and it's about 7 feet up to this first crotch in the tree. So let's trim her down. This is an Alaskan chainsaw mill. It just clamps onto the bar of your chainsaw right here with those two clamps. That way your bar, or your chain, excuse me. That way your chain can still move freely. It's got a nice handle here at the top. And then it's got these adjustments right here that moves your guide bar up and down. And this has inch increments on one side as well, and that is measuring from the bottom of the bar to your chain. Alright, now we've got this clamp on do-jabber here. First time using that, looks like you just run it over top of this here 2x4, which I screwed to the top of my board, and we're going to make a cut this way using the 2x4 as our guide. Less than a full tank of gas. Oh, that's heavy. Not bad for my first try, but got a little curve in it. Good enough for a fence post.